Today, we are looking very important topic is addition in fraction. Addition in fraction. What do we mean by addition in fraction? That's the question that you first need to ask yourself. Now, addition in fraction. Addition means what? It means plus. It means that we want to add two fractions together. And I've already told you in what? Episode 1, type of fraction that we have. This fraction, we want to add it together. It can be a mixed fraction, but it can be a proper fraction. It can be a what? Improper fraction. Now, let's all look at it one after the other. Number 1, 3 all over 4 plus 1 plus 2, 1 all over 1, 3 all over 4. When you look at this question, let's all look at this. It is very, very simple as ABC. Now, when you are solving this question, this type of this question, where we have the same denominator, you don't need to do anything. Just write this and this, 2. This is 1 plus 3. Write this one, all over, write one of these, 4. Now, add this one together, give us what? 4, all over 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 will give us what? 1, 1, 1. Answer is what? 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Notice that. 2 divided by 2, when they are the same thing, divide by 2, it is 1. 8 divided by 8, it is 1. 11 divided by 11, it is 1. 22 divided by 22, it is what? 1. Notice that. Now, number 2, 3, 13, all over 16, all over 20, plus 3 all over 20. When you see like this question is very simple, just do the way I told you. 13 plus 3 all over what? All over 2. All over 20 equal to what? Equal to 16 all over 20. Now I want you to notice something. You cannot leave your answer like this because you can see 4 can go here, 4 can go here, 2 can go here, it can go here. You can split it and do it like this. What is the number you can times together? You get this one. If I say 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Do this the same thing. 4 times 5 is 20. This one will cancel this. What remains? 4 all over 5. That's it. That's it. 4 all over 5. Let us do one more of this. When we have like this, number 3, when we have like this, 11 all over 66 plus 22 all over 13 all over 66. How can we solve this one? Just this one, just add this one together. It will now be what? 11 plus 3 all over what? 66 equal to, now this one be 4 and 2, that's 24 all over what? 66. Now if you want to solve this one, you do the same thing what I repeat here. 6 times 4 is 24, and this one 6 times 11 is 66. 6 cancels 6, it will now be what? 4 all over 11. You see now, that's how the way you can solve this question. Let us move to the next one, which is what we call the one. Notice this one, they have the same denominator. What about the one that it doesn't have the same denominator? Like this one. Like this one, 3 all over 12 plus 1 plus 5 all over 18. This one, they don't have the same denominator. How can we solve that? How can we solve that? It is very simple as ABC. Now, when they don't have the same denominator, you need to find the LCM. They call it LCM. Now, how can we do that? Rule a line like this. When you rule a line, you write this one 12, you write this one 18. When you now write it like that, what can go here? 2. This one will be 4. That's 6. This one 9. What can go here? 2. This one will be 3. 2 cannot go in 9. Right? 9, the same 9, because it cannot go. Now what can go again? 3. When 3 can go, 3 here is what? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. What can go again? 3. Now, this one I've already in 1, 1, 3 in 3, 1. Are you getting me now? You now multiply this. This, you multiply this one together. You now be what? This one times this 9. 9 times this is what? Is 18. 18 times this is what? 36. The answer is what? 36. Now, the LCM now is what? 36. Now, draw your arrow, write 36. Now, 12 divided, we now begin. 12 divided by this, by 36. 12 divided by 36. What is the answer? 12 divided by 36 is what? Is 3. So 3 times what is on top of that thing? On top of the what? On top of the 12. That's 3. Plus this one divided by this. When you divide this one by this, it will give us 2. Times what? 2 times what? 5. Are you getting me now? It will now be what? This one times this is what? 9. This one times this is what? 10. And all over what? All over 36. Add this one together, it will give us 19 all over 36. Before you can assume that, before you can say this is the answer, you look at it whether something can go in both of them. If something can go here and it can go the same thing here, you cut it. But this one now, nothing cannot go. That's the answer. Now, this is that's number 4. Number 5 now. It's very simple. It's not hard. Now, let us do another one. When we have 5 all over 20 plus 5 all over 20 plus 7 all over 25. How can we solve this one? The same thing, you follow the same rule. Find the LCM. The LCM, rule a line. You need to be fast. If you are a JAMB student, you need to be fast. Now, but if you are not a JAMB student, you need to work it out. Or you are doing WAEC, you need to work it out. Are you now working in one place and you don't need to work it in your book? No, doesn't mean that you can keep it in somewhere and bring the LCM. That's it. This one, we have 20 and 25. What can we do here? What can go? 2 here, 10. 2 here can go. That's what 25. What can go? 2 again, 5. This one cannot go, 25. Now what can go again? 5. 5 can go here. 1. 5 can go is 5. 5 here, 1, 1. Now the LCM is what? 5 times 5 is 25. And this one is what? Is 50. And 50 times 2 is what? 100. The answer is what? 100. Now the LCM is what? 100. Now this one divided by this. When you this one divided by this, what is the answer you will get? Now you get what? This one divided, if you give us 5. And this will now 5 times 5 plus this one divided by this is what? Can you tell me the answer? This one divided by this is what? Is 4. 4 times what? 7. Now it will now be what? This one 25 plus this one is what? 28. Now what is this? That's 0, 0. What is the now be the final answer? Now 28 and 25. 25 that's 3. That's 3, 5. That's 53. 53 all over what? All over 100. Now that's the answer. When you look at this one now, you can see, you look at the up and something go, both of them. No, it cannot go. That's the answer. Now, thank you for watching this video. This is the 3 of the episode of the word fraction. See you in the next class. God bless you.